Welcome to one of the most unique properties in Tennessee, a 124-plus acre private farm and event destination with luxury living, 2 residences, and a massive venue center built for unforgettable gatherings. In Marshall County, offering sweeping countryside views in every direction. Inside, the home features an open concept layout with 4 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. 3 fireplaces add warmth and character throughout the home, creating inviting spaces for relaxing evenings, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Step outside and the outdoor living areas elevate the experience even further. A large swimming pool and expansive entertainment space create the perfect setting for gatherings, summer celebrations, or quiet evenings watching the sun set over the rolling Tennessee landscape. The views from this hilltop property are truly unforgettable. Adding even more charm to the estate is a second residence, a beautiful log cabin that feels like a private retreat of its own. This cozy home features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a welcoming front porch where you can relax while taking in the peaceful countryside. With its fireplace and rustic character, the cabin is perfect for guests, extended family, or even short-term rental potential. At the center of the property stands the impressive 8,900 square foot event venue designed to host large gatherings with ease. The building includes a full bar, public restrooms, a prep kitchen, and multiple flexible spaces ready to accommodate weddings, corporate events, and private celebrations. Surrounding the structures are 124-plus acres of scenic land, featuring a massive barn, horse paddocks, outdoor gathering areas with a fire pit, and parking for up to 100 vehicles, making this extraordinary Tennessee property not just a home, but a true destination.